I thought it would look cool if there was some kind of lighting system. And then I thought, well, let's take those two designs and then let's offset them. So let's have some negative space between them. And so I came up with this design. And it's essentially the same concept where we have a very complex, elaborate amount of geometry on the front, and then we have a different complex geometry in the back that we can see through. And now this serves two purposes. It looks really cool, but then it also allows us to save on material when we're 3D printing.